Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Simply Me Tay, and today we are going to be cleaning my son's bathroom and my master bathroom. And let me just tell you, they were a mess, disgusting, and needed a good deep scrub down. So I wanted to bring you guys along. I hope you need some cleaning motivation. If you do, you will get a lot of cleaning motivation from this video. I would love for you to put me on and go ahead and clean along with me. So let me know in the comments down below if you're cleaning with me. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and I would love to have you subscribe and join the squad. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate y'all so much, and I'm so excited to continue to grow my channel. My goal is to get to a certain number by my birthday, which is August 13th. So make sure you guys share this with anybody who needs some cleaning motivation so they can go ahead and join the squad as well. So I called my son into his bathroom and just told him, look, I am cleaning up your bathroom and this is a hot mess. This does not need to happen again. I don't think he even realized that he was blocking the camera. Sorry for that, but this is some real life here. It's crazy how y'all cannot really see the dirt that is in this tub real good. I mean, y'all, it was a mess. Y'all know I don't use cleaning gloves, but I put on gloves because I was like, I don't want to touch anything. Little boys are not the cleanliest at all whatsoever. We're gonna work on that though. I need to call a plumber out because my son's toilet has been running, and I tried to do a few things that I know how to do and it's just not working. So I definitely need to call somebody out to fix it because I don't want his toilet getting ruined. Alright y'all, so now it's time for my bathroom, and as you know, I kind of take the same process throughout every area of my home when I'm cleaning. First, I declutter all the surfaces and put everything where it belongs, because then you have a clean slate and you can wipe down everything. But if you have stuff on the counter that doesn't belong, you really can't do anything. I'm using this Nike bag as my trash bag today because I had just taken my trash out and I knew that I had a lot of trash in here, so I filled up this bag and took it out to the trash as well. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing because I always go top to bottom, so I should do the mirrors first and then come down and do the countertops. But for whatever reason, I clean the countertops, Then I climb up there and clean my mirrors backwards, and I did it on both vanities. I don't know what I was thinking. Probably I was singing too hard to this music, and it's hot outside because y'all know Cali summers are no joke. So I'm gonna blame it on the heat getting to me, but generally it is top to bottom. That way if things fall, dust falls, it's not falling onto a clean surface, and you don't have to re-clean a surface that you already cleaned. So my shower gets to use the most, well, next to my sink, but I definitely love taking showers quite often, and I also wash my hair in the shower. Let me know in the comment below if you wash your hair in the shower or if you wash it separately in the sink. I think it's just easier, but hair gets everywhere, so I need to get like one of those strainers that will catch it so it doesn't clog everything up. But I love these adjustable shower head to just spray everything down. It makes it a lot easier than using a cup. Also, gotta clean my tub. I don't use my tub as often because it is massive and it takes quite a bit of time to fill it up, and the thrill of taking a bath in this big tub definitely goes away waiting for it to fill up. So I don't use it as often, but it does get dusty, so I definitely have to clean this on a regular basis as well, and I can't even reach the back of it without getting in, so this is what I have to do. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. It really helps my channel, and stay blessed.